Santa Clarita, this is Connor with Honor, of course, your trusted realtor at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com, bringing you the latest updates on our vibrant real estate market. Let's dive into today's market watch for July 13th, 2024. Now, here's a quick overview of our market today. Coming soon properties, 12 new listings, 91. 68 properties had their prices changed. 18 properties went back on the market. 28 properties are active under contract, 43 properties went pending, 48 closed, which means sold, 4 expired, 11 canceled, 10 had been put on hold, and 1 property was withdrawn from the market. Grand totals, folks, 467 active real estate listings. That's an increase over yesterday and the day before. And the day before that, and we haven't seen that much of an increase in inventory since back in June of 2021, over 2 years. So that's going to be 467 active residential real estate listings across Canyon Country, Castaic, Newhall, Saugus, Stevenson Ranch, and Valencia. Now, let's talk about some of the highlights in our market today. So first, I've been watching the MLS for our clients, our buyers, our sellers, just to keep tabs on what's happening. And there's a stunning new listing in the heart of Valencia, priced at just under 900 grand. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, beautifully landscaped backyard, has a great exposure for family gatherings. You got to check that out, SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. Over in Canyon Country, doing my research, found a new listing, a gym in Shangri-La community. The 3-bedroom, 3-bath home not only offers a great layout, proximity to top-rated schools, and also parks. 739.9. You can see that at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. And finally, I wanted to talk about price changes. Not finally, of course. If you've been eyeing any kind of a property, might be the perfect time to act. For instance, there's a beautiful home in Saugus that had a price adjustment, making it even more attractive for potential buyers. I wanted to congratulate new homeowners in Stevenson Ranch, lovely 5-bedroom home in the area, just closed for $1.2 million. That definitely showcases strong demand and value in our market. Lastly, for those keeping an eye on market dynamics, we had a notable number of properties go back on the market and a few more under contract, definitely highlighting the fluidity and opportunities in our current real estate market. Whether you're buying or selling, staying informed and ready to act is definitely key. That does wrap up today's Market Watch. Remember, whether you're looking to buy your dream home, sell your current property, or just stay updated on the market, I'm definitely here to help. Visit SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com for more details and personalized service. Of course, this is Connor with Honor, signing off until next time. Over and out.